going fishing on the Gulf today, and there's a hawk over here. Like, don't run away from me. You're my friend. No. Oh, you're so mean. Bye. Go get a mouse. Go get him.
When you have certain experiences, you respond with various emotions. Stimulus response. Just as this sort of stimulus produces this sort of involuntary response.
So we just arrived to the first park. Very eerie out here. Very foggy, like you can't see any distance. I'm gonna start out throwing the swim bait on my SLX. Throwing it against the rocks here. There's big giant rocks on shore. And try to get a spotted trout, maybe redfish. So see what happens. I'll get back to you if we hook it into any monsters. I might throw a whopper plopper because I've never seen anyone do that in saltwater. So we'll try that too here in a little bit. See you guys a bit. I fished it, snagged a lot, lost a bunch of them for, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour. And now we're going to go down the street to a giant pier, get some shrimp, and try to catch something. A lot of people on this pier catch quite a bit, just because it's a hot spot, you know. But I wanted to catch something with fake bait, but that's not going to happen. So we're going to make a video. Alright guys, been getting a bunch of little nibbles on a big hook, so I've got a little hook on it. It's a little tiny baby redfish. And I got the big one casted way out there waiting for a big fish, and I'm going to try to catch some little guys, maybe use them for bait.
Something interfering with our
Hey guys, I don't know what this is. I think it's some sort of drum or sheep's head. I just caught it. Pretty weird looking. I switched it up. I was fishing for big fish with big hooks, and I switched it up. Got a tiny hook on now because I kept getting my bait stolen from guys like me. I'm gonna see how many different species I can catch now. There's one. He's released off the edge of that giant cliff. Yep. Okay. And what I'm doing, I got like a drop shot style rig up here, and I'm throwing little pieces of shrimp on it and burying the hook so they can't see the hook or feel it, and just dropping it down right next to the pier vertically and waiting for a bite. Just back to you. It's something different. They all kind of look similar. This one doesn't have a black dot on the side of it though. You gotta look it up. Species number 3. Let's see if we can get a 4th. Bunch of weird species out here. Let's do it. Another one. Same guys. They look like little tiny drum. Get up. Kind of a disappointment. I expect a lot more. What do you? Guys got giant rods behind me. One guy had a big sheep's head, like this big. No one else has caught anything though. We've been down here for hours. Probably just wrap it up here. I don't know. See if we can get anything else special. So I'm in the hotel. After going fishing in the saltwater, and I'm gonna clean my reels, I guess.